This guy right here is designed to keep your bike front wheel tight. I don't have to loosen it all the way, just enough to lift it right off. So let's take a look. Flat tire right here, already removed from the bike. I have a tire tool. I will go and wedge underneath the tire, pulling it outside of the tube. Slide the wedge and remove the tire. Sliding the wedge inside the tire all the way around until the tire is halfway removed. I will go to the stem. I will pull the stem out, straight out, and remove the tire from inside, pulling it straight out. Now that I have a tire removed, all I have to do is replace the tube. Finding the hole in which the stem goes in, right here. Pull the tire back over the hole. Slide the tube stem into the hole in the rim and pull the tire over the tube and the rim. Feed the tube all the way around the tire into the tire itself, making sure not to twist the tube, and then return to where the valve stem is. Press the valve so the tube goes up inside the tire and lock the tire or tuck the tire inside the rim. Work all the way around, tucking the tire inside the rim. Make sure that the tube does not get pinched by the tire and it stays inside the tire itself. As you get towards the end, it gets a bit tight. So you take the tire tool, you wedge it underneath the tire and the tube, sliding the tube in as you wedge the tire over. Continuing to go around until the whole tire is replaced back onto the rim. Ta-da! Tire changed. All I have to do is air this bad boy up and throw it back on the bike. Putting it back on is much easier. Once you've repaired the tire, make sure that the adjustment pin is on the opposite side as your derailleur. Set the tire in, give it a light spin to make sure that you line that thing up properly. And what you do is you just make sure that it tightens up nice and snug and that pin is facing back. That way it can't catch on anything the next time you're riding. Make sure it's super snug. One final spin to make sure it's not rubbing the brakes, and we're all set.